Hello students, in this video we will try to find increasing and decreasing function by using the derivative. Increasing and decreasing function by using derivative. Let f be a real valued function and it is continuous in closed interval AB and differentiable in open interval AB, then this function will be as follows. First is increasing or strictly increasing function if f dash of x is less than 0, where for each x belongs to open interval AB. Means here single condition for both increasing function or strictly increasing function, and this function is this. This condition is this: f dash of x is less than 0. Now for second, decreasing or strictly decreasing function, if f dash of x is greater than 0, where x belongs to open interval AB. That means you can see here f dash of x is less than 0, then this will be increasing or strictly increasing, and if f dash of x is greater than 0, then this will be decreasing or strictly decreasing. But if f dash of x is equal to 0, then what will be happen? This will be third condition. If f dash of x is equal to 0 in where x belongs to closed interval AB, then function will be constant function. Means if f dash of x equal to 0, then function will be constant function, neither increasing nor strictly increasing nor decreasing nor strictly decreasing. This will be constant function. Now in the next video we will take one example related to this topic.